Attending this event provides that much more of an opportunity for these guys to see just how much more there is in this career field for them other than, you know, where they're at.
Photography is just the tool that is the key to the kingdom, and I love visiting all aspects of the kingdom.
When you capture a moment in your camera, it feels good. It's like you just did something great.
Being able to feed off other people is something that really I want to be able to take advantage of.
Love coming here to share my knowledge and to learn new things from the other people and just to give back a little bit.
Trying to produce 3 to 5 strong images in 24 hours is definitely a challenge.
You have until 6 o'clock to get your stuff in tomorrow night. Doesn't mean get here at 5:30 and think you're going to get your stuff edited and in on time, because you can't do it.
Oh, this is the topic?
That's the theme.
Oh, this is good. So apparently it's vices.
Should I change the settings more?
No, I would try one just on the settings.
And then
okay, look at me.
Straight up. Good.
Okay, look at me. Look at me.
There you go. There you go. Good smoke. Matt, come out tighter. Come out wider. Get the smoke in the top. Yeah. Just a nice long vertical.
It was a difficult topic, however, I really wished I would have had a little bit more opportunity to do certain things. However, a lot of places didn't let you, so it was really good to start thinking out of the box, but it gives good constructive criticism for me in looking for future assignments and such.
We come here, we work hard, and we play hard, and that's how we do it.